My video guide today will help you to get rid of pop-ups coming from the website Ndmeeting.fun. Ndmeeting.fun. So this is a very dangerous resource attacking Google Chrome, Firefox and many other popular browsers. But the pop-up tries to make you click on the Allow button, supposedly to continue your browsing. In reality, when people mistakenly agree with that proposal and do click on the Allow button, the browser gets immediately hijacked. So sooner or later people start getting a lot of strange ads popping up in various corners of the screen and thus extremely disturbing their attention. So if you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, of course your browser is now in trouble, and this trouble needs to be fixed because otherwise you may end up visiting a lot of other suspicious and very dangerous pages. So now let us fix the issue. You need to go to the menu of the browser, click on Settings. After that, scroll down to the Privacy and Security area and choose Site Settings. And now you need to find Permissions section and click on Notifications and research the Allow area very carefully. So you'll find some malicious sites here in the list. All these malicious sites need to be deleted. So click on this button and delete these malicious sites causing the trouble. Finally, I would also strongly advise that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database. After that, click on Start Combo Scan to begin the complex research and investigation of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode, however the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the thread manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.